Welcome to the channel, everybody. Today we have a unboxing. I got a new toy today, and this is from Temu. I absolutely love Temu. I'm gonna have to get on the FedEx people because it was already busted open, but we're not gonna worry about that, especially if all the pieces is here. So let's get started on this cordless vacuum cleaner from Temu. So let's see. I hope y'all are having a good day. So they say it comes with a user manual with instructions. So we're gonna see if we need that or not. I saw this and I loved it. I was like, oh, you know what? I may have to order me one of them because I need a light vacuum cleaner in the house. I live upstairs and downstairs now, so I definitely needed a vacuum. So I'm gonna pull all the pieces out first, and then I'm gonna talk about them and we'll put them together. Okay, we're gonna try to go through these pieces here. So the vacuum main body is gonna be right here. This is the main body. And then you got the floor brush, which is this right here. This is the part that you use to guide it. Okay. Then you got the 2-in-1 brush. That's this thing right here, where it slides up when you want to use it with the stairs. That's that. Then you got the telescopic tube. That's this, that makes the vacuum cleaner bigger. That's that, or longer, should I say. Then you got the cleaning brush. And then I should have a wall hanger, which is this right here. So if you want to hang it on the wall, that's that. And it comes with a screw kit, so they didn't forget about the little screws. Yay! And then, this is what I like. It has a battery pack that comes with it. I'm going to have to figure out how to work that in just a second. And then, the plug-in cord. They didn't forget about me. Last but not least, they got the filter. Okay? So now, let's put this baby together. Okay. Oh, shit now. Okay, I got it gliding. Okay. Hang on with me. And then what else? Then our little body part. Oh, okay. Okay, y'all. So that was not as hard as I thought. I think I made it hard by being crazy. So now I got the body part on there. So let's play around with it. Forgot to show y'all the battery piece, which is right here. And the battery piece goes right here on top. And it's a little slide-in piece. I had to look at the demonstration. Okay. It's a button right here. You got to push that down and then line it up on the little guides right here. And then You hear it click? Yay! Alright, so it's on there. So now, and it comes with a filter already in it. So it looks like yep. Oh, so you get 2 filters. Temu, y'all are showing out. So you get 2 filters, and it just sits in there. Okay, so you just put that on and twist it and lock. See that? Close it, and then put it on the little guide thing. Okay, we in business. Figured it out. This goes that way. Oh my gosh. Cherie, quit playing with me. Alright, so now, y'all, we finna test this baby out. So, I'm gonna do the hands-free test because this really was an unboxing. So I have some paper towels here, or 2 little paper towels. I'm just gonna tear up some pieces here, and we're gonna see how well this sucks this up. Let's get with the cleaning. Alright, so I got the battery pack on right there. There's the plug to the wall part, and here is the power button. Oh my gosh, we got power. And this is the strength. So you can go full strength, 1, 2, or 3 low strength, okay? So let's get this paper towels up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Temu. Y'all, it sucked it up in there. Y'all see the paper towel? Suck it on up in there. I should have spread them out. That's what I should have did. But either way, it did it. Y'all see that? That's what I got it for. To be able to do my steps in my car. Well, I go to the car wash to get my car clean, but I got it for like my desk, like cleaning out my keyboard on my workstation, and that's why I got it, and my carpet upstairs. So, let's do this. Let's figure out how to get this paper out of here, which we saw that earlier. So we're gonna press this button, and it flips up, and then now I want to say this here because this could be considered as negative. The reason why I reached up in there and grabbed all this paper towel is because I knew it was clean. Now, I'm sure dust and trash, debris, peanut trash in the car, that would just fall out of this thing, right? So I did a disclaimer. I knew this I knew this was clean paper towel, so that's why I did it. And as I said, this is just a demonstration. So if you really want to do the best demonstration, you can buy it because I really recommend it so far. I really like it. So I just wanted to show y'all all these pieces that came with it and try to put it together. So yes, I do recommend this vacuum cleaner. I will put the link in the description box below. I will be doing more Temu reviews and unboxing. So y'all have a good day. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe, please, to the channel. I need you.